Little 94 octane, huh? I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if it's in focus, but anyway, point of view, I'm running late to work. I had a shoot, so I'm going into work late. So this video is quite literally me running late to work. So it would be nice if this gas station attendant would come out, because it's cold and I actually don't feel like pumping my gas. I might have to, but this thing is probably going to be, I'd say $60, $55 to $60 to fill. It's painful every single time, but smiles per gallon, you know? Alright, let's see. $57.43 for 14.5 gallons. What are you gonna do? Alright, I am super uncomfortable the way that I have this thing set up, but you know, it's what I get for being late for work. Gotta find out how the fuck to get to 80. The genius is on the road today. $94, could have gotten it here. Without the burbles, it's just so loud. Yo, it's crazy that I just put the 94 in, and I'm not saying that's the best gas. It probably is consumer-wise, but, well, that's the only thing that makes sense. Gas-wise, the 94 is the best, obviously, and, like, my car feels better already. It's actually insane. My car was running like dog shit the other day. But that's what happens when you put bullshit gas in it. I really have to get to work though, so try to do that in a safe manner. Dude, that's a sick looking truck. I don't know what the deal with that. Aerospace division? Hell fucking yeah, bro. That's sick. Oh, a little Genesis action, huh? Western Star. Nice looking truck. All CGI. I hope that you guys observing me drive like an asshole will make you drive like an asshole safer, because I'm not really driving like an asshole. Does that make sense? What the fuck is that? Big ass boat. US Navy, that's sick. Shout out to our troops. Pretty much at work, believe it or not. I'm about less than a mile away, so I'm gonna cut this off. I know it was a quick one, short one, but you know, we got to work efficiently, so, and safely, which is the most important thing. Anyway, yep, like, comment, subscribe, all that shit, and I'll see you in the next one.